Good evening. This is our first class for our 30-minute tutorial. We're going to be starting with the important resources and links. You can see over here, our first assignment for this week. And I'm going to show you guys how to create like the different resources that you can go and show to your students. After that, your first assignment for the week, and this is due on June the 5th, you will be creating your first important resources, and using this assignment that I created, you can do the same. You will be adding a week, one video introduction for the weekly assignment, and it's going to be this video. After that, you will be taking the survey. You need to take this survey, and during class, we will be creating your first assignment, which is this part, the week one assignment. And at the end of each class, you will have to do a reflection. And the reflection is only 4 questions. Yeah, I wonder, I wish, and what if. For your assignment, you have to you can see I created you have to write an overview, the purpose of it, of our assignment, the prerequisites, and also the step by step what to do during the class. And yes, it is graded, and I will be showing you how I use the rubric to grade you guys. And also I use the principle of standard based grading. I hope you have a great night, and